Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to block a number or contact in your Android phone. So at first open up your phone app. Now in the call log you can see a unknown number. Now if you want to block this unknown number, just tap here, then tap on this icon. Now here at the bottom you can see block option. Then just tap on block, then tap on block again. And it's done. Here you can see a icon which means the number is blocked. Now if you want to block a contact, just go back, then tap on contacts. Now from here choose the contact that you want to block. If you want to block this contact, just tap here, then tap on this icon. After that tap on more, then tap on block contact, then tap on block again, and it's done. Now the contact has been blocked successfully. Here you can see block icon. Now if you want to find your block number or contact, just go back, then tap on recent, then tap on three dots, then tap on settings. After that go to block numbers, and here it is. From here you can find your all the block number or contacts. If you want to unblock a number, just tap on this minus icon, and it's unblocked successfully. And that is how you can block number or contact in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.